I have with me Professor Ram Kaundinya, who is here to teach us advanced corporate strategy. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
First of all, I'd like to get a perspective from you, since in your tenure here at MIRA, what has been your experience with the students here at MIRA School of Business?
This is the second year I am coming to teach at MIRA, and my experience with MIRA has been very pleasant. I find that the students are of very good quality. They have been able to articulate their points quite well in the classroom, and I also find them to be socially more active and communicative. I find their communication skills to be quite good. Their analytical skills are good. I think it's an overall good mixture of experience and freshers in the classroom. There is also, I find that about 70% are engineers, so the mix is more healthy than what you find in many other institutions, and that makes it more lively in terms of the discussions in the classroom. Overall, I find this to be a very good experience.
Thank you very much, sir. You've been educated at some of the best institutions across India. You've been on the board of many established institutions as well. You have a ton of experience behind you in academics and in the industry. So how do you rate MIRA with some of the educational institutions which you have been educated and have taught in?
MIRA is a relatively new player. It is only about, the first batch is coming out now, so it's only a 2-year-old institution. For a 2-year-old institution, it's very unfair to compare it with the institutions which are 40-50 years old in the country. But keeping that fact in mind, I would rate MIRA to be among the best institutions, a bunch of best institutions in the country. Emerging, I would put it in the category of emerging institutions. It is yet to compete with some of the established institutions, but I believe that it has the potential to do that. The infrastructure is outstanding. I have not seen this type of infrastructure in many of the institutions which are in the same category. But the investment on infrastructure has been very high, and I think this infrastructure will only increase. So to that extent, this will be a very good institution where students can come, feel comfortable with the institution. The quality of faculty is very good because I think we have a mix of people coming from abroad and faculty of Indian origin. There's a good mix of people with industry experience and academic background. So overall, it gives the students a good flavor of the conceptual theories and practical experiences. So that is the main strength of this institution. I think it has the potential to grow and compete with some of the best institutes in the country, and hopefully it should come out into the top 25 institutions in the near future.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, on a parting note, I would like to ask you, what advice would you give to our students and management here at MIRA? They can all benefit from your vast experience.
I would only say that have self-belief. That is the most important thing. You will obviously compete with the best institutions, students from the best institutions in the job market. This is at the beginning of the life of the institution. So you have to cross a few hurdles before you establish your credibility in the job market. The performance of the candidates who are placed on the jobs will create further demand for the next batches from the industry. So I think it's very important that the initial batches have this responsibility to perform well on their jobs and to be role models for the students who will come later. This will not only help in establishing a job market for the students, but also it will establish MIRA as one of the premier institutes in the country. So I think to that extent the students have that responsibility. As I said earlier, they are very intelligent, they are very sharp, very articulate, communicative. I think they have to work hard to make it into the top league in the industry. working hard at the institute is one, and working hard on the job is a different thing. Both have to be done, and if they do that, I think it can become a very good provider of high quality students to the industry. I should say that the management is doing a good job of providing the infrastructure and various facilities and bringing the best faculty. My only advice would be that keep a high priority on quality of students. It's more important to give good quality students than to give more number of students to the industry. So even if you have less number of students initially, it's important to maintain high quality of input as well as high quality of output. I think if that is the focus of the management, this institution can become really a great institution in future.
Thank you very much, sir. This is Professor Ram Kaundinya, who has taught us corporate strategy here from the Myra School of Business. Thank you.